Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So if you no longer want to use Perplexity AI or wish to remove your data, deleting your account is a straightforward process. In this guide, I will show you step by step how to delete your Perplexity AI account safely and permanently, okay? So first thing, log into your account. So open perplexity.ai. Click log in and enter your credentials and access your account. Okay, so go to account settings. So click your profile icon here, select settings. So settings now is opened. So find account management section, scroll down and look for accounts or privacy. So we have here accounts. Okay, so try to locate the deletion options. Okay, so you have here delete accounts. Okay, we have learn more, so click the learn more here. Okay, so for example tap this and you have here, before you delete your account, please take a moment to understand what will happen to your data. So your profile details, preferences and settings will be removed, your search history, threads and any other content you have shared will be deleted. Okay, so you have to make sure that you want to delete your account. Okay, so here you have confirm deletion or cancel. Okay, so if you want to confirm the deletion, you just tap here. Okay, and after that verify your identity, so enter password or confirm via email, and that's it. You have the final confirmation. Click delete permanently and that's it guys. So thank you guys for watching this video and see you in the next tutorial.